So, good day everyone. This is Johannes Deduso
And I am Irvin Argawanon, and we are.
presenting our case analysis titled Protection of Traditional Recipe and Trademark by Magic Malt Foods Incorporation. And the company we choose is the Magic Malt Food Incorporation. So now, let's start.
Call it the strong inner voice to be enterprising, the passion to venture into untapped markets, the drive to create something new, the dream to serve every Filipino's cravings. That's how it all started. Conceptualized in Cebu City in 1999, the inspiration emanated from the evident craving of a certain taste of ensaymada during the founder's visit in Manila.
So, company background: Filipino owned, based in Cebu. Known for Magic Malt Special Ensaymada. Exported to US, Canada, and Middle East. Blends traditional baking with modern standards. So as a short background of the Magic Malt Food Incorporation is a Philippine-based food manufacturing company recognized for its traditional baked goods, particularly the special ensaymada. The company has established a strong market presence both locally and internationally, especially in overseas Filipino communities. Founded with a vision of preserving Filipino baking heritage, Magic Malt has grown into a trusted brand as it expanded its distribution. Countries like the United States and Canada, the company faced a growing need to protect its identity and reputation against imitations product. So next is the problem are the types of intellectual property involved. So in this case, primarily involve the following types of intellectual property. So first is ang trademarks. So the brand name Magic Melt, its logo tagline, taste the magic in every bite. And associated product names are registered trademarks in the Philippines. However, the lack of international trademark registration initially exposed the company to risk abroad. And the next intellectual property nga involved ani is ang trade secrets. Although not directly infringed, this case prompted Magic Malt to review its protections measures for proprietary recipes and process used. In the early 2022, Magic Malt's international partners observed that a product named Magic Malt was being sold in several Filipino stores in California and Ontario. The product closely resembled Magic Malt's packaging, slogan style, and product name, leading customers to believe it was an official Magic Malt product. So, ang gibuhat sa ubang kampanya is gikopy nila ang Magic Malt packaging, ang slogan style ug ang product name. So nagtuo sad ang customers nga kanang mao to ang official nga Magic Malt product.
Quality and
So now
reasonable
let's move on.
price as its
And by the
guiding
way, my
commitment
name is
and
Arvin
principle in
Argawanon, and
business.
about the company actions. So company actions means steps or moves a company takes to solve a problem or product to business. So like for example, if someone copies their product, the company might be changed. Packaging or took to lawyers or send a written later. So company action have a following. First is internal audit of trademarks. Second is legal advice to use Madrid Protocol. Next is the Z's and disease letter issues. And next is the packaging redesigned with QR codes cells. So for example, a Magic Milk Foods Incorporation company that makes a special kind of juice. So first, they check all their brand names and logos to be sure they're legally protected. And internal audit of trademarks. Then they ask a lawyer how to protect their brand in other countries using a system called the Madrid Protocol. So next is they found someone copying their brand, so they send them a legal letter to stop. Then next is the says and this is letter. So finally, they changed their juice bottle to include QR codes and self, so customer know the product is real and not fake. So in this moment is na-notice sa kumpanya nga ilang product is gikapis sa ubang company. And then he asked the lawyer on how to protect their brand nga gikapis sa ubang kumpanya, and then he advised that sendan og kani ang legal gani nga letter kay para mas stop to sila. Then they finally then change their juice bottles para malain na gani ilang product ato sa katong nag-copy, and then ilang gibutang na sad og QR codes para sad makabalo ang mga customers nga kani nga product is tinuod ni siya or dili, or gikan ba ni sa owner gyud or adto sa ning copy.
Built a commissary in Pasig to serve the growing needs of the Metro Manila and Luzon market. Our vision is to have Magic Melt product in every household. We want to be the leader in the food manufacturing industry.
So our next is the role of industrial engineers. So first is to optimize packaging redesign, improve quality control, collaborated with marketing, legal, or integrated anti-counterfeit measures, straighten supply chain. So what is role industrial engineers? So role industrial engineers help the company work better and smart. They made the packaging look better and easier to use, made sure product were high quality, and work with the marketing and legal teams to keep everything on track. They also added a special features to stop fake products and improve the way goods are delivered and managed, making the whole system more reliable. So, industrial engineers is muna sila ang kanang mga engineers nga mo handle diha sa production site area sa processing, which is nga aron madali ang pag-process sa usa ka product. So, like for example sa Magic Milk Food and Conversion, industrial engineers help improve the way ensaymada is made and packaged. They studied at baking process and rearranged the step to make it faster without losing quality. They also designed better packaging that keeps the ensaymada fresh longer and added QR codes to fight the fake products. This made the product more efficient, reduce waste, and help ensure the customer always get soft, tasty, and safe to eat ensaymada. So that is the main purpose or role of industrial engineers inside the production site area, which is to optimize the packaging redesign, improve quality control, collaborated with marketing, legal, integrated anti-counterfeit measures, straighten supply chain.
In such a short span of time, no wonder it has established a brand known for best quality and reasonable price as its guiding commitment and principle in business.
Next is the relevance to industrial engineering. So we are the following. First, the process design and quality control. Second, product and packaging engineering. Third, supply chain management. Fourth is operational strategy and risk management. So relevance to industrial engineering focuses on making system and process more efficient. This involves designing better ways to produce goods and service, ensuring high quality, developing effective packaging, managing the flow of products and information in supply chains, and planning overall business operations by identifying and mitigating potential risks. Essentially, industrial engineers aim to optimize how things are done to save time, money, and resources. Lesson learned. Intellectual property is a vital business asset. Intellectual property awareness across operations is essential. Proactive protection ensures brand trust. Industrials helps align strategy with brand security. Our lesson learned. Magic Mill Foods Incorporation focuses on modern baking and packaging technologies developed in cooperation with the Department of Science and Technology, implying an emphasis on innovation and quality control. This proactive approach, along with their efforts to secure certifications like Halal and HACCP, suggests that they prioritize protecting their products' integrity and brand reputation, which indirectly safeguards their traditional recipes and trademarks by ensuring consistent quality and preventing imitation.